Okay, so guys, these are my Rubik's Cubes that I cannot solve even after trying. So number 1 is my mini 3x3. I tried solving this, but this is my first time. And guys, I just made my video of me solving this mini 3x3 like a few years ago, but it was so difficult that I quickly gave up. But now we want perseverance, so now I'm not going to give up. Okay, now number 2. My Rubik's blend 3x3. So I tried solving this, but I cannot solve it. So I just used a app on my dad's Galaxy phone. Number 3, my Rubik's Phantom. So guys, this Rubik's Cube chain can turn this color to black, but it's still a 3x3. Okay, so number 4, my 2x2. So I tried solving this 2x2, but I quickly gave up on the first step. So I just used it with the app. Okay, now my 4x4. I cannot solve this 4x4 because I cannot remember these algorithms. And guys, when I tried solving this, I just used it with that app because it's my first time solving a 4x4. Okay, now I cannot solve my axis cube. I tried solving my axis cube, but what is this? Okay, so guys, now my 5x5. So guys, I tried solving this 5x5, but you have to take like 226 moves. I don't think I will ever solve this. When I tried to solve this with the app, it takes 226 moves. That's way too long. I might get tired. So I don't think I'm gonna ever scramble this ever again when I solve this. Solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so now I cannot solve my Rubik's slide. I tried solving the Rubik's slide, but it cannot. But what are these black thingies? You might have to. It might be a different 3x3. Okay, now I cannot solve my Rubik's block. This seems simple, but this is just like a normal Rubik's blend 3x3 like this one. Now I cannot solve my Rubik's keychain. Remember, I cannot solve any of my 3x3s. Now I cannot solve my this 3x3 fusion. I tried solving this, but then whenever I try to solve this marble just keeps falling down. Now moving on to my next 3x3. I cannot solve this. Remember what I just said. So guys, these are all my Rubik's Cubes that I cannot solve. Like and subscribe because we're trying to get 700 subscribers by end of this month, February 12th. February. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.